Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and on this channel I do it yourself hair care products and hairstyles. If you love it on this channel, I will say to you welcome, and you'll be glad to be part of this family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how I made this wonderful braids. Like do-it-yourself braids from the leftover extension. All right, let's dive in. All right, everyone, these are my extension. It's not like I've used them. It's just that I just use some out of them and then keep the remaining ones. So I've had different colors in the house: red, black, and wine. And today I'm just gonna put all the colors together because I searched everywhere and I found that they are just lying there unused. I'm like, okay, let's just combine everything together. And since I'm about to make my hair, I'm like, what a good combination. It might not really be your favorite color, yeah, but I don't care. Just, put everything together and make my hair. That's the goal, to make my hair. And I'm using this cordless brush to stretch out my 4C hair. If you have not watched that video where I reviewed this particular product, the link will be on the description of this video. It's one video you want to watch, and it is very easy. It's a very easy brush to use at home, in your car, anywhere you're going to. I mean, this hairbrush is super amazing, super handy, super compact. Everything about it is just super. Honestly, trust me, I love it. I mean, I love using it every day because it doesn't even damage your hair if you use it properly, like the way I showed it in that video, by first applying conditioner and then applying your shea butter or your heat protectant spray, whichever one you use to protect your hair from heat. So all right, everyone, I am at the point where I am sectioning my hair, and to secure it I am using a rubber band because I want everything to be in place. I don't want to be battling, trying to grip my hair and it's not just holding up. So this is the best way to start if you're a beginner trying to make your own hair by yourself at home. This is the best way. First, secure it with rubber band and then kind of like show it how you can just go around the hair, sectioning it. Kind of like not stressful to me because I am used to making my own hair. Yeah, everyone knows if you are in a land where is either the cost of making your hair is expensive, or you just like making your hair, or you don't even have time to even go to the salon, or whatever the reason, you could just watch this video and make your own hair. You will need a mirror, although I didn't show it in this video, but you actually need a mirror to help you section it. I placed one in front of me to just see what I'm doing. I didn't really place a mirror behind me. I just kind of like use my intuition to get my section because I've been doing this for a while. Yeah, that's me. All right, everyone, I am done sectioning my hair. You could see, looking great. And starting from the back, I am just gonna be attaching my extension, the one I just combine all the colors. I don't know what color will I name this now. Maybe color 120. Maybe you give me a color. Now this is it. Starting to braid, I attached the extension and I started braiding like 3 times. And when I got to where my hair could no longer be equal with the 2 other strands, I added another extension to make it equal so I can braid it to the end. I hope you understand. I'm gonna try to show it one more time. Attach the extension and then into two like that, and then try to braid it around the hair that has been secured by a rubber band, making the hair the 3rd extension right there. I started braiding gradually, and then I'm braiding it so that I'll be able to reach it through my right side. And then I braided it like I think 6 times, I'm not so sure, until you can see my hair right there is just standing, is on its own. It's not equal. Then I'm going to attach another extension to make it equal. Yes, so that way they are equal and I can braid it to the end. This is pretty simple and easy to follow. If you have any question, you can just drop it on the comment section and I'll be glad to reply. This is a fun way to make your own hair. I mean, going on YouTube to just learn how to make your own hair, it is so amazing. You know, with the way things are excessively expensive these days, you know, you want to be creative with your hair. And honestly, as a lady, there is nothing you can do with your hair. All you just need to do is get inspiration or learn how to do it. There is nothing, I mean, nothing you practically can do with your own hair. You can braid, you can style it to whatever style you want to. And that is why people like me are putting up videos on YouTube. You could easily search and learn how to make your own hair and look beautiful. I actually made this hair for an occasion and it was awesome. I mean, I just wanted to have this awesome look, quite different from my usual look. It's been a while I made extension on my hair, I mean braided extension, so I just needed to do something unique, something that will bring out my face. You know, when you make your hair, you look different. When you make your hair, you look different than the way your hair was. So yeah, this is a fun way of, you know, making your own hair and being creative with your own hair. All right, everyone, isn't this beautiful? I think the color came out pretty well, right? Not so bad. And then I just dip the tips in hot water and then that's it. Kind of like massaging my head so I don't feel this pain because I kind of like gripped it so tight. I don't want them loosen up. I'm gonna keep this hair forever. All right, using my favorite mousse right there, applied it and then sprayed it with the spray oil. Awesome. All right, everyone, isn't this beautiful? This is awesome. You want to try it out at home and this is it. I'm looking takeaway, right? Yeah, I love myself. I love the way I am looking. Am I not looking beautiful? Of course. Sometimes you just have to like farms yourself. Nobody does it better than you. Like, love yourself, love on yourself, appreciate yourself. Yeah, take out that beautiful attire and just wear it and just, you know, make your hair and look good. Probably not the finish for like yeah, just look good. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until we see you again next time, bye.